United States of America. Citizenship offers the right to vote and the ability to hold public office. It also comes with responsibilities like potential military service and jury duty. On the other hand, green card holders enjoy many of the same rights as citizens, such as the freedom to live and work anywhere in the United States, but without some of the responsibilities that come with citizenship. Familiarize yourself with the rights and responsibilities associated with both green card status and citizenship. This understanding can help you make a well-informed decision. Seek advice from a legal professional specializing in immigration law to ensure you are aware of all the implications of your decision. In the grand scheme of things, the choice between maintaining a green card and pursuing citizenship is not a one-size-fits-all decision. It's a deeply personal one, shaped by a myriad of factors, including your professional aspirations, family ties, travel needs, and financial circumstances. Whether you choose to hold on to your green card or take the leap into citizenship, remember that this decision is a significant step in your journey. It's a testament to your resilience, your dreams, and your unwavering commitment to carving out a better future for yourself and your loved ones. Now, it's time for you to share your journey. Have you faced this decision? What factors influenced your choice? What were the benefits and challenges you encountered along the way? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments section below. Your insights could be the guiding light for someone else navigating the same path. So go ahead, add your voice to this important conversation.